Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to react to a pin in a group on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the new update that makes it easier and more fun to engage with your friends and fellow pinners. First, open Pinterest from your web browser. Just type in pinterest.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side menu. You'll see several options like Home, Today, and your profile. Find and click on Messages. This is where all your group conversations live. After clicking Messages, you'll see a list of your ongoing chats and groups. Scroll through and click on the group where you want to react to a pin. This opens the group chat, and you'll see all the pins and messages shared by members. Now, here's the fun part. Hover your mouse over the pin you want to react to. When you do this, a small react icon will appear on or near the pin. Click on that react icon, and a set of reaction options will pop up. These are usually emojis or simple icons that let you quickly express how you feel about the pin without typing a message. Choose the reaction that best fits your mood or thoughts about the pin. Whether it's a heart, thumbs up, or something else, just click on it, and your reaction will instantly show up in the group chat. This way, everyone in the group can see how you responded, making the conversation more interactive and lively. And that's it. Reacting to pins in Pinterest groups on your PC is quick, simple, and a great way to stay connected with your community. Try it out next time you're browsing through your group messages, and watch how it adds a little extra fun to your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!